Here we have a step-by-step breakdown of how to deep clean your front load washer. It's recommended to do a deep clean on your washing machine at least once a month. This is especially helpful to keep the stinky odors away that front load washers are known for. For this first step, you can use a cup of vinegar straight into the tub, or you can use any washing machine cleaner that you prefer. I personally like this Active brand because the price is really good and it works well. You get 24 in a package. I actually do this step every 2 weeks, but the rest of it that I'm going to show you, I do once a month. Once you've got your cleaning tablet or your vinegar in there, whichever you prefer, we're going to do a tub clean cycle. If you don't have a tub clean cycle, just use like a sanitary option or anything with hot water. After your cycle is completely finished and the washer has stopped, next let's clean out the little pump filter. You may not have one, or yours might be in a different spot, maybe in the back or on the side. Consult your owner's manual to find out if you do have one and where it's located. First, we're going to need to drain the water that's sitting in there. Mine has this little tube that you pull out to drain the water that's in there first. So a shallow bowl works perfect for this. Even a painter's tray fits under there really well. Once you've got all of the water out of that little hose, you're going to take the filter out. And I'm going to tell you what, I skipped doing this last month because I was super busy, and this is really disgusting. This is only 2 months worth of gunk built up in my washer. I take a couple of paper towels, get the majority of it off, and then I'm going to give it a good scrub with some soap and water. And there we go, all clean. Now with the pump filter still removed, I'm just going to take some vinegar and water. I do like a 50-50 mix. We're just going to spray that in there, and we're going to take a brush and clean out the inside of the housing. And as you can see, there was a little gunk left behind, so we got all of that out. Take a couple paper towels to get the rest. Then I'll cap that little hose back off, put it away, and then insert the filter. Next, move on to the detergent dispenser tray. This is really important because it gets really moldy inside there. Mine has a little push button, so you're just going to push in on this and it's going to release and come right out for you. Take it to the sink. Let's get some soap and hot water and wash all of the compartments. After that, take your vinegar water mix. Let's spray generously inside the compartment. Let that sit for a bit, and then we can work on the door, and let's get the top. We'll clean the inside of these rubber seals out really good. Get in all of those grooves. Then let's scrub out the inside of the detergent dispenser tray housing. Let's get a brush and really scrub in there good. Mold likes to stick to the top and the sides of this area. Finally, put the detergent tray back in and you're all set. After the tub clean cycle is finished, the rest of the work takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it so we can reach other people, and subscribe for more DIY Made Easy.